I/O control. This section will introduce I/O control. You may not be able to view the I/O status. It will be used with the pump. View the system pump installation tutorial. Have the tie pump and other materials ready. You can also scan the QR code below to view. Set basic out. Set the bottom basic output I/O high and low level. Basic output pin number 2,5,26,0 low level, 1 high level. Copy the code. Based on the sample code, the comment makes the robot arm return to the 0 code. Low level the pump is on, high level the pump is off. The angle can be modified according to actual needs. Suck wood blocks. Put down the block.